Hi guys, welcome to vesnasstv Home. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am doing a fall front porch tour. So to start off, I had purchased these mums over at Costco. They were really cheap and it looks like 4 mums in one, which I love. And then I will be using my sign. It's my welcome sign that I made, and I just switched out the welcome, the O with a pumpkin. I've got my wreath that I also made last year, and I'll be using that. And then these little pumpkins are from our garden. Now there were 3 more. One kind of rotted, which is very sad for us, and 2 are still green, so we're waiting for them to grow. And then I'll be moving. I'm kind of doing like a 2-part home, like a fall porch decor, because I did this part first where I just took some flowers from the garden, put them there, and I still kept some of my summer flowers. And then the second part will be where I've removed all of the fall flowers and I've added pumpkins and such. Now, because I started doing this before the pumpkins were out, I kind of improvised with some of these hydrangeas that had turned green, some of my sedums that were turning pink, and all of that other stuff. And I moved my ferns out to the front of my house, and those flowers I'm putting in the back. And then I'm just putting some more hydrangeas into this little wagon with some of those pumpkins from our garden, as well as a pumpkin that I had repainted. Now I've left the hibiscus there, and I kind of left it as is. And then I went and I purchased some pumpkins. We went to the pumpkin patch with the family. We picked out some pumpkins. And now that we have all of those, I can continue on with the fall porch tour. So I've taken everything apart. The hibiscus is gone. It's inside because it can't stay out during the Canadian winters and it's going to get frosty. We're going to have frost soon, so it needs to be inside. I've moved my strawberries out of the way. I still left some of the flowers out because they're red and green and whatnot, so they kind of fit like those geraniums. And then I start off by just doing a cleanup. I put all of my pumpkins out, and then I've swept, and now I'm just kind of putting it all back together. So I'm trying to see which way I'll arrange these guys. I'm trying to have like the wagon kind of overflowing with pumpkins is kind of the look that I'm going for. I am missing some fall decor. I can't seem to find it, so that's going to be like the next part where I have to find it. But for now, this is kind of where I'm leaving it at. And then I have this side, and I'm not sure if I'm 100% happy. So what happens when I'm doing any of this fall decor stuff is I kind of put it together and then I revamp it. As you can see, I'm doing this at night because I ran out of time. And I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do here. But I think I've kind of figured it out somewhat. I've added the turkey now for our friends in the States. Thanksgiving isn't until November, but for us, Thanksgiving is in October, so it's just right coming up. So I thought I'd add the turkey for the decor there too, and I'll probably keep that until after Thanksgiving, and then I'll switch out to Halloween, and then I'll show you what it looks like during the day and with some of the other decor added. So this video is a part of a collab hosted by Domestic Diva Home. It's a front porch DIY and decor tour. So it's going to be a really cool playlist with a mixture of DIYs and decorate with me. So make sure you check out the playlist, check out Domestic Diva Home. I'll have everything linked in my description below. Well, it turns out I couldn't find the other porch decor. I'm wondering if I shoved it somewhere with like behind Christmas stuff and it's actually inside, not in my garage. But anyway, here's the front porch. I'm loving the way it looks in the daylight. It looks really good. I think I'm happy with the setup of it here. I'm sorry the sun was in a really awkward angle and I was trying to not get it kind of affecting the picture. This is a DIY that I made that I'm just using as a centerpiece, and again, thanks to Schwone's Nest for that turkey and everything else. So I really love my front porch. Let me know what you guys think, if you like it. If you're decorating already for fall, or if you just do Halloween, let me know what you do and enjoy the rest of the tour. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today. If you're interested in knowing how to make any of these DIYs that you see here, head on over to my DIY channel. There is a fall playlist as well as a playlist that includes that wheelbarrow that you can see there. And thank you so much for taking the time again. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to check out Sonia over at Domestic Diva Home and the playlist. And thank you to her for hosting this. Thank you. Have a great day and stay safe.